Vegetarian is easy and delicious. Do you like to eat bamboo shoot?
I suppose bamboo shoots aren't to everyone's liking. I myself just can't get used to their flavor. Today, I'm trying my hand at stir-frying bamboo shoots for my family, who are big fans of them. My family said this dish turned out pretty tasty. You should all give it a try. Ha ha! Ingredients: bamboo shoot, dried chilies, peppercorns. Wash dried chilies and peppercorns. Cut dried chilies into sections. Bamboo shoots are rich in dietary fiber and various minerals, aiding digestion and overall health. Bamboo shoot is low in calories and containing antioxidants. They're a great addition to a balanced diet. Sliced bamboo shoots taste best stir-fried. Thin cuts absorb flavors better with a satisfying crunch, while quick frying locks in freshness, turning home cooking into restaurant-quality dishes. Fresh bamboo shoots boast a crisp, juicy texture with a distinct earthy sweetness and mild bitterness. When cooked, they soften while retaining a fibrous bite, similar to firmer water bamboo. Fermented, pickled versions develop tangy umami, transforming the earthiness into deep savory notes. Blanching eliminates oxalic acid and astringency, improving both flavor and food safety. 2 to 3. Simmer 2 to 3 minutes after boiling. Remove bamboo shoots and rinse under cold water, then set aside. Let's start cooking. Stir-fry peppercorns and dried chilies. The numbing aroma of Sichuan peppercorns and charred spice of dried chilies bloom in hot oil, creating a complex mala foundation. Add bamboo shoots and stir-fry. I'm using sweet soy sauce for dry tossing. Its caramel-like sweetness works great for stir-fried noodles or veggies. If it's dry, add water. Bamboo shoots is ready to be served. Each bite erupts with a cascade of numbing heat followed by fiery spice. The peppercorn's fragrance penetrates every fiber of the bamboo shoots, while the chilies burn perfectly balances rather than overwhelms their innate sweetness, leaving behind an addictive aftertaste, while the umami tinged with a whisper of smokiness.
Who should avoid eating bamboo shoots?
Those with sensitive digestion *, high fiber content may cause bloating or discomfort. Kidney stone sufferers, moderate oxalates could aggravate the condition. Young children, tough fibers pose choking hazards, must be finely chopped and well cooked. People with active gout, purine levels exceed most vegetables. Bamboo shoots are packed with dietary fiber, which aids digestion and detoxification by promoting bowel movements. Bamboo shoots is low in calories yet nutrient-dense. They're perfect for weight management and balanced diet. Their antioxidants help boost immunity and slow down aging. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. I have just started to be vegan for a few months. I have also been trying to learn simple vegetarian recipes. I found that vegetarian food is not only healthy and delicious, but also very easy to make. If you are a vegan beginner like me, let's learn to cook vegetarian food together. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For OVO-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.